Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring something truly breathtaking, the vistas at West Mesa by Lokal Homes nestled in the scenic northwest Colorado Springs. Envision 105 modern townhomes, each boasting 5 distinctive floor plans and the serenity of having a 2-car garage attached. Recently I had the privilege of stepping into 2 of these model homes. To say they were beautifully staged would be an understatement. Spanning 3 stories, some of these gems offer the bonus of uninterrupted mountain vistas. Let's dive deeper into a few options, shall we? The Henry, a spacious 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath dwelling. Right now there's a promotional savings of $24,000. Or perhaps the Taylor intrigues you more, with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and yes, a potential savings of $24,000. Last but by no means least, the Oliver awaits, another 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath marvel, and it's a cool $25,000 in savings is up for grabs. I've got the inside scoop on which homes are move-in ready, but here's a piece of advice: don't embark on this journey alone. Let me guide you, let me ensure you get the best value, the best home, and the best price. Being part of a metropolitan district, the vistas at West Mesa is all about community. With a nominal monthly assessment of $125 a month, you're covered. From the landscaping to snow removal, trash services to professional management, they've got it all mapped out. So if you've been dreaming of a slice of luxury in Colorado Springs, dream no more. Reach out, let's chat, and let's turn that dream into reality. I hope you found this video insightful. If so, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more property insights, and remember, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, happy home hunting. See you in the next video.